been caught, and now he is on display, caught by some of our top-notch fishermen. Now we do have a police boat in the water, and there's also a fin. Oh no, there's another fin. Okay, it could be just a couple of kids playing a prank. That has been known to happen, but we do have George in the water. And oh, there he is. Hey George, how you doing, buddy? You good? George? Oh no. Oh George. Well, we have an opening in the scuba department right now. If anybody's interested, I don't know if anybody's interested in that job. But we're going to take it to a very safe place, folks. A very safe place behind these gasoline barrels. Really? Who said that was safe? Oh my goodness. We only have one boat. Why do we even need these pumps? Oh, with prices the way they are. There. Oh, no. He's taking the dock. Oh, no. We have some vapors under the dock back there. Now he's taking it. Oh, what?